Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margrette, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Today I will be sharing my experience on this app called Forsage. It's actually a system where you earn from your teammates. That's how I call it. So I will be sharing the steps on how to start, and I will also be sharing my experience. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to download the apps. You need 3 apps. One is, I hope you can see it, Trust Wallet. I will just put the picture here somewhere, and then coins.ph and also Gcash, right? So once you have the 3, you need to enter the wallet here. This is how it looks like. So if you can see, there are red numbers there. So the Ethereum value is actually very low right now, but there are also times where it goes up and it will show you green numbers. Okay, so we will be focusing on Ethereum here, the first cryptocurrency here on the top. So if you want to send and receive Ethereum coins, just tap here and send, receive. Okay, so if you want to send Ethereum coins, you can click on send, and you can paste the recipient's address here, and then the amount, you can change it from Ethereum to Philippine peso. So you have that option. So before you can send, of course, you need to ask for the Trust Wallet address of the person you're sending the Ethereum coins to. Okay, so how to know your Ethereum wallet address? So you go to receive, the middle. Okay, you'll be shown a QR code, but if you don't have the person you don't have the recipient in person or near you, you can just tap on copy here, and it will copy a code that will be your wallet address. Okay, so you send that address to the person who's sending you coins. Okay, so that is sending and receiving Ethereum coins. Here below, inside the Ethereum coin wallet, you will also see the transactions that you made. There's sent money, received, everything is there. Okay, it will show you the amount that you received, and then the date, and to or from the wallet address of the person. Okay, so that's it. So everything here is in the shield. That's the first icon that you will see in the bottom of the app. You have a shield. This is what we call 4 boxes, and then the 2 arrows, and then nairuska or wheel. I don't know what the terms are, but we just make words for them to make it easy, because we only give out instructions in the chat. But I'm making this video to make it easier. I hope it's making your life easier. Okay, so when you go back, okay, so you're back to your wallet, right? So if you want to, so you go to the 4 boxes. You will see a browser. You will see a browser here on top. So once you have coins like 1,500 or 2,500 worth of Ethereum coins converted from coins.ph. So here's the thing, if you don't have coins.ph verified yet, you can have your teammates convert your cash for you, and they will just send you Ethereum coins to your wallet. And then, so once you're here in the 4 boxes, you paste the affiliate link here on top. The affiliate link is you can see it in the Forsage website. So I already have it in my history. But if you don't have it yet, your recruiter or the person who invited you will be sending you an affiliate link. The affiliate link is located here. It says affiliate link and there's a copy button. So you tap on the copy. If you're the one who invited, you tap on the copy and paste it on Messenger and send it to the person you're inviting. So the person that you are inviting will paste it here in the 4 boxes browser and paste it here. Once they enter that, they will then see welcome to Forsage, and then you tap on join now and then to register, and make sure to ask the inviter if it's the correct ID indicated there on top as the affiliate. Okay, and so when you join and when you click on to register, you will be brought to this website, your own wallet. Okay, and you will be asked to approve. So you need to approve. Right. What do I have next? Okay, so this is the Forsage website here. So you will see the status, how many persons you have invited. I already have 4. What you need to do is, once you already have the coins, you need to purchase 0.5 here on top. That will be level 1. If you want to purchase the level 2, which is 2,500, you need to purchase the 0.5 here in times 4. So this is times 3 and this is times 4. Okay, so you're actually buying slots, and according to my experience, every time I have a referral, I earn around $18 per person, and if my referral has another referral, I get $6. That's what my experience is, but I'm not really sure if that's the exact amount that you'll be receiving as well. Okay, so how do we earn from Forsage? So you can actually earn 2 ways, passive and active. Active is when you invite people to join. You're earning from referrals, right? And there's also a passive income wherein you don't really have any invites. You just let the app do the magic for you, but it will take time. It will take around weeks, months to get your investment back. And according to my experience, it's a lot better if you have 2 to 3 invites, because you will already have the money you invested will be mabawi na ba sa English yan. So mo na siya. But if you have more than 2 to 3, so much better, because you will have more dollars. I already received $60 for 4 invites. Was it 4? I think it's only 3 invites plus 1 from my invites downline. Yeah. So that's actually it. So don't forget, if you have an invite, just copy the affiliate link here on top, send it to them, and let them paste it on the browser when you go to 4 boxes. Paste it here. Okay? So I think that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Yeah, so I'm just sharing this because I really earned, and within my first week, I already received more than 2,000, because the story is, my friend encouraged me to join Forsage because I have a lot of followers, and I did not have money that time. So he said, okay, I'll let you borrow 1,500 so that you can start. And then there are times when the network fee is a bit high, so I was forced to invest 2,000 instead. Because so same with the value of Ethereum, the network fee also goes up or goes down depending on the time, depending on the people, the number of people using it. I'm not really sure how it works, but it goes up and down. So we can't really determine the best time to buy slots, but you can check every now and then if the network fee is just 200, because it also surges up to 600 at times, 800, so be careful with that, right? So if you're saying that what I'm doing is a scam, I've heard people talk bad about Forsage. That's why I feared entering Forsage when my friends invited. There were already 3 people who invited me to join Forsage, and I'm not really a networking type of a person. Networking type of a person. I really don't like inviting people to businesses because I'm only good in vlogging and training. That's it. So, but yeah. I gave it a try because my friend allowed me to borrow money. So, mo to siya, after 1 week, nabawi na nako akong 2K. It's actually over that amount. It's 3K. And just have fun inviting people. So, if you fear that you're scamming people, well, I can't really say that I'm scamming people because people are earning from it as well. It's just that it's not yet SEC registered, and yeah, but that's it. I earn from it. That's why I'm sharing it here. So, muna siya, guys. The amount of Ethereum on your wallet will rise up and down as well, depending on the time, depending on the Ethereum value. It's red right now, so it's very low. I had 3,000 here, but I cashed it out. Remember, you can cash out anytime as long as your coins.ph is verified. How to verify your coins.ph? You need to send a selfie, and you also need to send a picture of your government ID. There's a list of government ID you can see there in coins.ph. And also, Gcash is very useful, especially if you don't have a bank account. Gcash, that's where you send your coins.ph money to cash out. So it's a complicated procedure, but anyway, we can't do anything about it. Just download Trust Wallet, coins.ph, and Gcash. Right? I think I did not miss anything. If you need help in converting Ethereum or pesos to Ethereum, you can message me below. And remember that, let's say if you want to convert 2,500, we might not be able to exactly send the full 2.5 because we need to pay for the network fee as well. And the network fee varies depending on the time and again the system. So there are times when the Ethereum network fee is 0.011 Ethereum, at times 0.6 Ethereum. So it really differs per time and day whatsoever, right? So I have been talking for almost 15 minutes now, and I hope I helped you in some way. Please do leave a like and leave comments if you have questions, and if you want to join our team, I have my affiliate link there down below. But if you have already an affiliate, please feel free to use their affiliate links. Okay, sila may naghago-invite ninyo, alright? But if you have not joined a team, you can join my team. We already have around almost 20 members, so please join us and let's stay loyal. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. See you again next time, lovies. Bye!